Hey guys, don't forget to watch the entire video for your chance for the MAC lipstick giveaway. Hey guys, this is Amy with the makeup. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing eyebrows. I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows on a daily basis. I'm going to be showing you a couple of my favorite products, and everybody asks me, Amy, your eyebrows look so great. What do you do? You know, all I could say is practice makes perfect, actually. I've been doing my eyebrows for a very long time because they are super blonde. I do like to have eyebrows look like I have eyebrows. I always like to try the newest eyebrow products that are out there that are easy, that look good. So today, before I begin, I actually want to dedicate this video to my very good friend Christina, who's been asking me about my eyebrow products now for months, and I haven't shown her. So Christina, this one's for you. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 different products of eyebrow products that I use. Actually 2 that I use. One I have never tried before that I actually purchased yesterday, and I couldn't wait to try out. So we will be trying the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade. This actually comes in a little round pomade. This color is 372 Blonde, and it does come with a little applicator, which since it's new, I'm gonna use it with you guys. The second one is my go-to, Total Temptation Brow Definer, and this is in shade 300 Blonde. Okay, and then my new product, I haven't opened it out of the package yet, is the Brow Tint Pen in shade 350 Blonde, Maybelline. So I'm going to be using this one last. I'm going to be showing you guys the first 2 products that I really like to use every day. They're my go-to. So first we're going to actually start with the pomade. It does come with a little spoolie and a little brush. Now, I really like the little brush. This is a fresh new jar. I love it. It's just like a little pomade. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna actually put the pomade on the opposite side of the brush. This is going to match my eyebrow. If I were to go up with it, I don't feel like I'd get a good angle. So that's why I like to point this one downward for my left eyebrow. So let's go ahead and begin. What did I say? Downward, huh? Yeah. I start with just a little bit, but I will go ahead and begin with the brush. I'm sorry, downward. So it's going to be down and up. So I'm just going to start on the edge of my brow, the inner edge, and just kind of work my way out. And you can kind of angle the brush like so. Like I said, guys, I'm not a professional. I do this every day though. I've had a lot of compliments, so just want to share it with you guys. Okay, so that was actually pretty good for the first sweep. I am just going to do a little tiny bit more. Okay, so that edge. Now, I've said in previous videos, Q-tips are my best friend. They're not actually, but I use them all the time. I'm just gonna swipe that like downward just to soften that edge so it's not like a big tail. Okay guys, so that is the first eyebrow. I am going to go ahead and do the other side now. This side I will use it like a regular angle because we're going the opposite way. So let's go ahead and angle that. I've got the pomade on my brush, and then just making sure you guys can see that. And then I just fill in. Now this one's probably gonna need a Q-tip because I kind of messed up on it. Yep. So I kind of feel like I went too far down on this end, which you guys probably can't notice, but I do. I don't like how thick it is right there, so I'm just gonna grab that Q-tip and just kind of shape it how I want it to go. You can always, you know, remove it if it doesn't look good. I kind of feel like this one's a little bit lower. So what I kind of try to do, they're supposed to be sisters. They're not supposed to be twins, okay? That's what I learned very quickly into my eyebrow days. So I might go a little bit more downward this way, and I'll use the other side. You just kind of gotta match it. And if you mess up, there's always that Q-tip. All right. All right. We are gonna grab a Q-tip here. I should have placed more on the counter. Anyways, all right. Just soften the edges. Just kind of shape them how they would look like eyebrows. So I'm actually kind of satisfied with these pomade results. Of course, I use this product every single day. It's quick, it's easy. Like I said, Tattoo Studio and Maybelline, the brow pomade. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off, and I will be right back with another product. Be right back. All right, guys, so I have washed off my previous brow pomade, and now I'm going to be using the Total Temptation by Maybelline, the shade 300 Blonde. So this one does come with a spoolie on the end. I never find myself using it. I don't know why. But we're gonna go ahead and begin. This does come with like a little chiseled tip, easier for maneuvering and not like just, you know, cruising on your whole eyebrow. So just like the pomade, I start from the inside, excuse me. I start from the inside and just start filling in my brow line. I always say brow. This one you can kind of shape, see it kind of angles so you can get that curve to the edge of your eyebrow there. We're just gonna keep going. Now you could use a spoolie to soften out these brows to fill in the hairline, I guess, or the hair. This is my go-to when I'm in a very big hurry and I just want to do my eyebrows. And there's an eyebrow. All right. I do like that it has a little chiseled part though. You can't really tell on camera, but it's kind of got an angled shape on it. So just along this side, we're just gonna fill in the brow line. Brow. I have to learn how to say brow. And just curve it out that way. I don't really use it, but instead of it on camera, it looks a little bit flat. I guess they're all right. But so that is how I use the eyebrows. Like I said, guys, I am no professional. I just like to make sure I look decent. And actually my right eyebrow actually is usually my favorite, but actually this one is looking pretty legit. So now that is the Total Temptation Brow Defining Pencil. I am going to go ahead and wipe these brows off and we'll try the new product that I just bought. Be right back. All right, guys, so the third product I'm gonna be using, the Maybelline Tattoo Studio, the Brow Tint Pen. Have not used this. I am using it for the first time. I'm gonna rip it out of the package here. The link for all the products will be in the description. Can't wait to use this. So this is actually in 350 Blonde. I always go for the blonde one because they're always darker if you go dark blonde, anything else. So that's why I stick to my blonde roots. Okay, so this one we are going to angle on the brow line. Oh, okay. I already feel that it's going to be working. Okay. All right, guys. This is different. It feels a little bit like wet. So I'm just going to do brush strokes. Ooh, I don't know. This is kind of like to comb in the color of your brow. See, this is where Q-tips come in. So I don't like that big tail. So I'm going to soften the edge with a Q-tip. Let's see here. Just going to keep painting it. It is like a little, like, you know, brush. It's got three little prongs, like you're kind of painting it on there. I'm not certain I really know how to use this one yet. I haven't perfected it, but I mean, it's at least the same color that I use, which is good. Like I said, I like to try any new eyebrow products. I think I'm gonna go a little bit more inward with this, just to get some more length on my brow here. I'm not doing good on those edges there. It's all right. A little sponge to get rid of that redness that I've been putting on my face from wiping off my eyebrows. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the other one now. It is like a wet little marker almost. So, Q-tip time. I'm gonna go on the top, cruise it down. We need a couple more Q-tips. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this left one, guys. I haven't used this product before, so I'm scared of it. But we will get through this eventually. I've used about 10 Q-tips already. Okay, so I think that's going to be that for this eyebrow. I can't really shape it the way I want to. Not coming out the way I want to. But like I said, guys, this is the first time I've used this product. This side came out really good. Maybe I just wasn't coordinated enough for my left side. All right, I think that's gonna be that. That was really interesting. It felt, the applicator was a little bit different than I'm used to, but I will keep practicing with this. Definitely a game changer for the eyebrow game, but nothing I can't handle. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video as I did. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Any questions, comment below. Otherwise, you guys have a great night. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, I'm gonna be giving away this beautiful shade of MAC lipstick to one lucky person. So don't forget to like, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you then. For more beauty fun, don't forget to like and subscribe.